Today, the 22nd of May, we kick-started the Grenada Chocolate Festival right here at Belmont Estate. And as you know, at Belmont Estate, we always have something exciting for you. And this year was no different. We started off the day with an amazing cultural performance as a welcome. Then we had a very insightful panel discussion about cocoa resilience. We had a delicious 3-course chocolate cuisine meal prepared just for our guests and everyone who participated. But it didn't end there. We had a very fun rum and chocolate pairing that was led by the Grenada Chocolate Company in collaboration with Westerhall Rum Estate. And personally, it was so much fun. And we led that straight into a very special presentation that was done by Mr. Mario Cantoral from Mexico. And he did a presentation on cocoa tea making specific to Mexico. And our chocolate team, the Belmont Estate Fine Chocolate Company team, close off the day with a very special bonbon making workshop, and you just had to be here for it. But the good news is it's just the first day and we have a list of other activities to do for the Grenada Chocolate Festival, so make sure to check out the Grenada Chocolate Festival website for all that there is to come, and call True Blueberry Resort for more information, because I can assure you, you don't want to miss out on all that there is to offer.